Hey guys, it's Patdees. I'm up here in New York and I drove by this unique place and I said I'm going to check it out. It's pretty cool. It says open. Pac-Man. Everybody knows, who follows me knows I like Pac-Man. Wow, look at this, guys. This is cool. Baby Pac-Man? Wow, I've never even seen that. Look at that. Look at all the pinball games. Batman, Ghostbusters, Twilight Zone. Wow, this is really nice. One Ball Wizard, Super Mario Brothers, The Simpsons, Popeye, but that one's not working. Wheel of Fortune. Wow, this is cool. Ooh, Wrestlemania, Royal Rumble, look at that. That is cool. Centipede, wow. Punch Out. I've never seen a place like this before. Cubert, Miss Pac-Man. Galaga, regular Pac-Man. Oh wow, look at that. I remember that. Man, I haven't seen that in a long time. Root Beer Tapper. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Rampage. Super Pac-Man. Wow, didn't even know there was a Super Pac-Man. Wow, if this place was close, I'd be hanging out here a lot. Tank. Asteroids. Time Pilot. Pac-Land. Look at that. Exciting new Pac-Man Plus. Boy, I never realized they made so many different versions of Pac-Man. Tetris. Mortal Kombat. I used to remember playing that. Crazy Taxi. This is cool. Now here in the shop, now is this the name of the business, Robot City Arcade?
Robot City Games.
Robot City Games, all right. And Binghamton, New York, right? Yeah, Binghamton, New York. So if you guys are in the area, stop here at Robot City Arcade or Games. Look, they got all the retro. Anthony Pittsburgh likes this type of stuff too. They sell all the. Now, do you guys have an online store?
No.
So everything's fully retail. Okay. Man. I mean, look at it. They got everything. GameStop ain't got nothing on this place. An Atari 5200, $199. Look at that. Atari 7800, Atari 26. That's the one I remember, the Atari 2600. Wow, look at that. I never even seen that. Tournament 1000 Unisonic. Practice squash, hockey, soccer, table tennis. My buddy Jason Banana Finds, he likes these old games too. He might like some of this stuff. They have all kinds of games, the DS games. GameCube. The Wii games. DS. Xbox. What do you buy and sell games and stuff?
Yep.
Yeah. So then you clean and test the cartridges?
We don't test cartridges. Not a ton can go wrong with them.
Right.
Just clean them up, Q-tip rubbing alcohol.
Yeah.
Get any dust, make a connection. We do have a warranty on
Oh,
all.
okay. PS4. Oh wow, Bully Scholarship Edition. Wonder what that's about. Boy, some of these games I never even heard of. Saw. WWE All-Stars. PS3. What's the most popular games that are selling right now?
For systems?
Yeah.
Depends. Sometimes we get like people will come in and be really interested in like retro stuff.
Yeah.
600 around GameCube era things. Right now, I would say PS3.
PS3?
And modern consoles themselves.
Yeah. PlayStation 2. Yeah, $10 for that one. $10. $6 for PlayStation High Casino. Lots of choice. Oh, look at here's the old Atari. Oh, that's not bad. $3.99 for the football. Pac-Man, $4.99. Yeah, it's a good gauge to know how much this stuff is going for. Activision. Ski. Now these are $13. $8 for that one. Donkey Kong is $13. Atari 5200 games. Kangaroo, those are going for $10. So there's some good prices here. Tapper. Oh wow, $34.99. That's probably exactly that game that I saw in there. Toy Story 2, $14.99. Sega. Oh, there's E.T. 7800. Atari 7800, $6. Pole Position. I remember that game. Stone Cold, $5.99. Warzone. So you can get a lot of good games here for a reasonable price. I actually have this system at home myself. Oh, here's the small games. Atari game. Oh wow, Atari 2600 with 27 games and 2 controllers and 2 paddles for $2.99.
Feel free to
Yeah.
take this off of there.
Wow.
And, pick up underneath there, see everything it comes with.
I have a friend out in Pittsburgh. He's really into game. He buys and sells them online. Yeah, and he even another buddy of mine collects a lot of these old. I've never seen a store like this. I'm really impressed. I was driving by, and that's why I turned around on my way to the auction, and I said I got to do a YouTube video because I travel around different states and stuff, and I try to stuff that is interesting. This will be uploaded within 2 days, so you'll see if you guys check it out. Hey guys, it's Patdees, and I just left this Robot City Games and Arcade. What a neat store. So if you guys are in the Binghamton area, stop in and check it out. Really a lot of games, a lot of cartridges and stuff like that.